Hi there, this week's question is, why do Steam downloads seem to take so long? My name is Steve, this is TQA Weekly, and let's get into it. Originally speaking, before the days of Steam and Origin and all that, you have to download the file and anything else that was related to your games and your apps. Many of these installation files did not validate the download, which means if there was something wrong with it, you had to re-download it again. In the cases that they could validate for themselves, they could actually download parts of them, or you'd have to download the file again. And you also have to go through the entire installation process. I mean, it took forever in comparison to Steam. However, you were able to download at the speed that you had almost the entire time. Well, what's different about Steam? Well, Steam's actually doing a lot more than just downloading your game. It is downloading, validating the download, and installing, which means that your CPU, your internet connection, so whether this be your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet, your hard drive, and RAM are all engaged. So what it does is it takes a chunk of the file, downloads this, and starts installing and validating everything immediately. It makes your computer look like it just suddenly decided it was going to download slower. However, while the download is slower, the entire process is actually faster. If you want to speed up this process, have a faster internet connection, have a faster Ethernet or Wi-Fi, have faster RAM, faster processor, as well as faster storage media. This will give you a faster boost at the same time. However, the process will remain the same. It will download a chunk, start verifying the files, and start installing. So you won't have those 3 steps to do. All you have to do is click the button, and that's it. So why do they seem to take so long? They only seem to take so long because you have a visual indication of what it started at a higher speed and dropped. But in actual fact, it's actually a lot faster than it used to be. So like this episode if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those you think benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or go to my website, tqaweekly.com, where you can see the show notes on this episode, past others, find out ways of subscribing, and use the contact form, email me directly. And if you want to see me play video games, head over to twitch.tv/JetAccess1981, where I play every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 7 to 9 p.m. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.